guys, so I decided to start a segment called Cooking with Dr. Jeter, and I want to show you some of my favorite recipes that I like to cook. This week I'll be doing a blueberry smoothie bowl, and I'll show you how I like to make my own granola. So go ahead and stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like below. First, we want to start with some frozen blueberries. Go ahead and add that to your blender. Next, I'll add some non-fat Greek yogurt, followed by some almond milk. After that, I go ahead and allow it to blend for about 30 seconds. And then I like to add my flaxseed. I love flaxseed because it's packed with fiber. As you can see, my consistency is a little thin, so if you would like yours thicker, just add more of the frozen blueberries to the mixture. So now I'm adding my fruit to the smoothie bowl. I have my pre-chopped kiwi and some fresh raspberries that I pre-washed as well. And the last thing I want to add is my homemade granola. You can see the link above. Go ahead and click it if you want to see how I made it. But it has oats, dried cranberries, almonds. It's so good, you guys. And voila, there you have it. My blueberry smoothie bowl with raspberries, kiwi, and my homemade granola. If you liked this recipe, you found it helpful, you enjoyed it, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.